This video is on the circular flow of income in a simple economy. This is the pictorial representation of an macroeconomic model named circular flow of income in a simple economy. When we say simple economy, we mean the economy with no government, no external trade, and there isn't any kind of savings. It doesn't refer to an actual economy but helps us to understand the functioning of an economy. Since this video is on circular flow of income, let us briefly recall about income. Laborers, entrepreneurs, landlords, and owners of capital are the four factors of production. They help in the process of creating goods and services. Money is essential in order to survive. It is something presence of which will help buy various goods and services for ourselves and our family. We will get income when we indulge in a productive work. Our contribution, which utilizes our knowledge, skills, expertise, time, and energy, help us earn income. Wage is the income of human labor. Money in the form of wages is earned by the people who contribute through their labor. Profit is the income of an entrepreneur. Rent is the income earned for letting the land to be used. Interest is earned by the owners of the capital. After that they earn. What is done with the income? They spend income in order to purchase the goods and services which is produced by the domestic firms. We can notice here that there are two sectors in an economy. Firms where different goods and services are made or rendered to sell, and households, they are the families which earn in order to buy those goods and services. The households spend to get goods and services. This arrow here represents the spending the households undertake to buy goods and services. At point A, it is the flow of payments from households to firms. In this scenario, the firms are getting sales revenue. Here is another arrow at point B. It is flow of goods and services. It stands for the products which are flowing from the firms to the households. These two arrows together represents goods and services market. A market in which buying and selling is going on. It is assumed that in the simple economy, whatever we consume in the form of goods and services, such as grocery, vegetables, television, entertainment, etc., is equal to the amount spent to make those goods and services. Aggregate consumption by the households of the economy is equal to aggregate expenditure on goods and services to make them by the firms in the economy. When we say aggregate, it means total, all the households, all the expenditures of the firm. The arrow below at D represents the services that the households are rendering to the firms. This enables them to get payments from the firms. The arrow at point C, moving from firms to households, represents the payments made by the firms to the households. Both point C and D represents the factors of production market wherein services of different factors of production is exchanged for payment of income. Income flow through spending for goods and services from households to firm. Next, flow of goods and services occur from firms to households. Services rendered by the households to firms get income to the households. After receiving the services, the firms pay income. The income is further used to purchase goods and services. This continues year after year, thereby continuation of income flow from firms to households and from households to firms. Hence, it is termed circular flow of income.